After installing Oracle VM VirtualBox, when we try to open the application, we get an error. The code execution cannot proceed because MES-VCAC141 DEL was not found. Reinstalling the program may fix the problem. Let's resolve this issue by installing a package. Open your browser and navigate to google.com. Now, search for Visual Studio Redistributable C++. Click to open the most top searched item, as I am doing. Scroll down. Choose your download, whether 32-bit or 64-bit. I will download 64-bit. Double-click to install this package. Accept the license terms and conditions and click on Install. When it is done, it may ask you to restart. If it does, go ahead and restart your computer. Close this setup. Now, let's try to run Oracle VirtualBox again. Congratulations! It's working now. Thanks for watching.